Hi, everybody. I'm Trin Johnson, and welcome to Dust in My Eye. So, today I am going to be continuing with my calendar series and continue using my little palettes. I have moved from winter to spring to summer, and October brings me to my fall palette. And I am going to paint a nice um, tree line with a little pond in the back, that kind of thing. And if that sounds like fun to you, please join me. And if you would like to check out my Patreon, where I have everything free right now and lots of more in-depth, longer videos over there that have maybe a little more information. If that kind of thing interests you, it's more step-by-step, more real time than this can be. And I would love it if you could check it out because, like I said, right now it's free for everybody. Partly because I wanted to keep it that way at least through August, and partly because we have had a crazy last 2 weeks. If you watch my channel, you'd know that my husband broke his ankle, and everything has been a little crazy since then. So the colors in this palette for fall are transparent yellow, Aussie red gold, pyrrole crimson, Venetian red, cerulean blue chromium, sap green, Van Dyke brown, and graphite gray. Those are the colors. So I am going to start with my cerulean blue. And I might also use this little palette too, just for mixing. So and I am just going to wing this. No preconceived drawing. We're just going to go right in. I want my bluest blue at the top. Nothing quite like that bright blue sky against the autumn colors. Or the autumn colors against that bright blue sky would be probably more correct. And while it's wet, I want to get my treetops started. I want to do them so they can kind of feather up into the blue a little bit. My tallest trees on the corners here. Okay, so my thinking is these trees on this side are the closest. And these trees over here, and then those are in the back. So that's what I'm trying to get here. And layers of trees, like trees in front of trees. Like there's a pond right here, back tucked in. And they would have the colors reflecting. I don't need it to be exact and perfect or anything. I just want to give that idea. A little lifting. I want to do a little scratching. A reflection. Want to get it a little bit goofy there. I want to get it straightened around. Okay. Now, I want a field of grass in front. Looking for a golden brown kind of color. A little scratching, scraping. A funky brush that gives me no control. Now I need to do that in the other direction, as in the tops of this grass. I want to feel a grassy kind of meadowy thing going on in the front. Now I just want to get some more distinctive leaves on some of these. Also, some more trunks in there, some to go with the scraping we did earlier. cannot get that to read like I want it to because I scraped in there too big, too deep. Had to stand up and really look at it because it's kind of hard to see when you're really close to it. I really don't need it to be big and huge. I just wanted that idea that there's some water back here. And I'm not sure that that's what I got. But as long as it makes you think you want to go back there and go see what it is, then that's okay. Now, I would like to continue this tree line a little bit. So I think that would be more fun. And again, as it can lead your eye back here, that's kind of what we're after. So let's see. We do a little bit of this. That kind of makes you want to go like that. Just very, very subtly. So let us, one more thought here. I'm just going to add a little contrast up here to balance it. Okay, I think I am going to stop messing around with it. Let's peel the tape off. I'm going to hit it with a hairdryer here just to get the tape to peel good. Actually, this is a heat gun, a Ranger heat gun. Well, I really, really thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. There was a little push and pull this time, but that's how painting is sometimes. And like I said, I hope you join me over on Patreon and check it out. And if you would like to, please check out my Etsy shop. where I have prints of my artwork along with cute little monsters and other fun stuff for sale.